Hey everyone, so I want to talk about this Logitech M240. Should you actually get it in 2026? Is it worth it? It's a very cheap, very lightweight mouse that also has pretty decent battery life. It's pretty basic, right? So there's not much to it. And very small and compact. So why would you actually want to buy something like this? Well, the first thing is the design, right? So we'll start with the design. It's a pretty simple looking mouse. There's nothing particularly flashy about it, but it actually works in your favor because the design, small, lightweight, you can kind of take it anywhere. Very portable in terms of design because it's one, got great battery life. It actually uses a battery. If I can even take this out, right? So pretty useful to have. Small and compact, but also has the midsection where it fits nicely on your hands, right? So that's also a huge plus because it's small and compact. You can kind of take it anywhere that you want. It's not loaded with any extra features. So if you just want a small, straight to the work sort of mouse, this is perfect for productivity, easy to connect, lots of battery life, really good. It's also very comfortable, right? So once again, the design fits nicely in your hands because it's small, it's compact, and it's lightweight. If you have larger hands, you might find it a little bit small, but overall, for general browsing, for working on your laptop, for studying, anything like that, it's really useful to have. Even finding it really comfortable, just holding it like this, it's really good. Also, how silent is it? We'll do a quick mic test. Overall, it's pretty silent. I would say it does the job. The scroll wheel is a little bit louder, but apart from that, everything else is fine. As long as you're not clicking on the scroll wheel, you are just fine. It is basically a silent mouse. Small, compact, and silent. And pretty cheap too. I mean, look, I got this for less than $100, so it's one of those mouses you're probably going to look at as one of your first things or use every single day. It's got a nice design as well. As you can see, the colors look pretty good. Everything, there may be wear and tear at the bottom in terms of these parts, but overall, pretty simple design, easy to connect as well. This just flashes, and then you can probably connect to different things if you press this button, and that'll be all good. And that's just the on and off, and then there's your sensor. With common mouses, the problem will be getting hair in that sensor and stuff like that, but overall won't be too bad. In terms of everyday performance, pretty much set it as it is. It is what it is with this mouse. Like, it's small, compact, and easy to use. Navigating Windows, OS, anything like that, it's pretty much ready to go straight for it. Battery life is pretty good as well. Runs off a double battery and you'll probably get 12 hours or more out of it. And it's probably used for the everyday student, everyday office worker, laptop worker, anyone that needs a quiet mouse in the home that just wants some quiet time with this mouse would be pretty good. Few compromises is the small design. It's not going to suit everyone. There's not loads of additional buttons or anything like that. So if you want something more flashy, but it's straight to the point, it's just a mouse. And then it's not completely silent. You probably may hear a click or two, but it's not going to be the worst of the world. You'll still suffice in a library if you're ever going to use it there. So the final verdict is it's pretty decent. It's simple, straight to the point, does its job, and it's cheap. So if you want a mouse like this, that's really good for your everyday worker. This is a perfect mouse just for that. So hopefully this video helps you out. Straight to the point, and like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks.